Contouring is an essential step in achieving a sculpted, defined look, whether you're going for everyday elegance or full-on glam. But with so many options available, it can be tricky to find the right product for your needs. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 contour products that deliver professional-level results, whether you're a beginner or a pro. From powders to creams, these picks are versatile, blendable, and easy to use. Let's dive right into the list. Kicking off our list at number 1, Benefit Hoola Bronzer. The Benefit Hoola Bronzer is a classic contouring powder that has become a staple in many makeup routines. Known for its universally flattering matte finish, this bronzer is a go-to for natural, sun-kissed contouring. Key features: this bronzer features a silky, matte formula that blends seamlessly into the skin without looking patchy. It's available in several shades, ensuring options for different skin tones. The compact comes with a built-in mirror and a mini brush for easy application on the go. Benefits and usage: Hoola Bronzer is perfect for creating soft, natural-looking shadows on the face. Sweep it along your cheekbones, jawline, and temples with a fluffy brush for a defined yet subtle look. Its buildable formula lets you customize the intensity, making it ideal for both beginners and pros. Usability: its matte finish makes it suitable for all skin types, including oily skin. The compact packaging is lightweight and travel-friendly, making it easy to carry in your makeup bag. The included brush is handy for quick touch-ups, though some users prefer using their own contour brushes for precision. Durability: this bronzer boasts excellent staying power, lasting up to 8 hours without fading. Its finely milled texture ensures a smooth application that doesn't settle into fine lines or pores, maintaining a flawless finish all day long. In the second spot, we have Tarte Park Avenue Princess. The Tarte Park Avenue Princess is a luxurious contour palette that offers a combination of bronzers and highlighters for a complete sculpting experience. Its sleek design and high-quality formula make it a favorite among makeup enthusiasts. Key features: this palette includes 6 shades, 2 matte bronzers, 1 shimmer bronzer, and 3 highlighting powders. Each shade is formulated with Amazonian clay, which helps control oil and ensures long-lasting wear. The powders are finely milled, making them easy to blend and layer. Benefits and usage: this palette provides all the tools you need for a full contour and highlight routine. Use the matte bronzers to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose, and add a touch of shimmer for a radiant glow. The highlighters can be applied to the high points of your face to enhance your features. Usability: the palette's all-in-one design is convenient for travel and minimizes the need for additional products. Its blendable formula ensures a smooth application, even for beginners, and the shades are versatile enough to work on various skin tones. Durability: thanks to its Amazonian clay-infused formula, these powders stay in place for hours without fading or creasing. The sturdy packaging protects the powders, making it a durable option for frequent use and travel. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Wonder Stick. The NYX Wonder Stick is a dual-ended cream contour and highlight stick designed for easy, on-the-go sculpting. Its creamy formula and compact design make it an affordable yet effective option for contouring beginners and experts alike. Key features: this product features a contour shade on one end and a highlighting shade on the other. The formula is creamy and blendable, allowing for seamless application. It's available in multiple shade combinations to suit different skin tones, and its twist-up design ensures convenience. Benefits and usage: the Wonder Stick simplifies the contouring process with its precise applicator and creamy formula. Swipe the contour shade under your cheekbones, along your jawline, and on the sides of your nose, then blend it out with a sponge or brush. Use the highlight end to brighten your under-eye area, cheekbones, and brow bones. Usability: its compact design makes it ideal for travel or touch-ups throughout the day. The creamy consistency works well on bare skin or over foundation, and it's easy to blend for a natural finish. Durability: while its creamy texture is long-lasting, it performs best when set with a translucent powder to lock it in place. Once set, the Wonder Stick stays put for hours without smudging or fading, even in humid conditions. Taking our fourth spot is Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow. The Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow is a luxurious powder duo that combines a bronzer and highlighter for a seamless contouring and highlighting experience. This product is a favorite for its high-quality formula and elegant packaging. Key features: this compact features a finely milled bronzer and highlighter designed to sculpt and illuminate the face. The bronzer has a natural, buildable finish, while the highlighter delivers a radiant glow without chunky glitter. The compact includes a full-sized mirror for added convenience. Benefits and usage: use the bronzer to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose, and apply the highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow for a lit-from-within glow. Its versatile formula works well for creating both subtle and dramatic looks. Usability: the lightweight powders are easy to blend and layer, making them suitable for both beginners and professionals. The sleek, rose gold compact is not only beautiful, but also travel-friendly, making it an excellent addition to any makeup bag. Durability: the powders are long-wearing, lasting up to 8 hours without fading or creasing. The sturdy packaging ensures the product stays intact, even with frequent use, making it a durable and reliable choice for contouring enthusiasts. And finally, at number 5, we have KVD Beauty Shade Plus Light. The KVD Beauty Shade Plus Light Contour Palette is a professional-grade palette featuring 6 matte powders designed for contouring and highlighting. Its vegan and cruelty-free formula has made it a popular choice among makeup artists and beauty lovers. Key features: this palette includes 3 contour shades and 3 highlighting powders, each with a buttery matte finish. The powders are highly pigmented and blendable, making them suitable for various skin tones. The refillable pans ensure you can replace individual shades without repurchasing the entire palette. Benefits and usage: the variety of shades allows for precise sculpting and highlighting, whether you're aiming for a subtle look or dramatic definition. Use the contour shades to enhance your cheekbones, jawline, and nose, and apply the highlighting powders to brighten and lift your features. Usability: the palette's user-friendly design and versatile shade range make it ideal for both beginners and professionals. The powders blend effortlessly and work well on all skin types, whether you're using them over a light foundation or a full coverage base. Durability: the finely milled powders have excellent staying power, lasting throughout the day without fading or smudging. The durable packaging protects the palette, and the refillable design makes it a sustainable option for long-term use. Contouring doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right product, you can enhance your natural features and create a sculpted, defined look with ease. From powders to creams, the top 5 contour products we reviewed today cater to every skill level and skin type. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.